Hello guys, today I will show you how to open the controller of the Vjet1200 model. And as you see, this is the back side of the controller, and we have 14 April on the back side. So you just to open 1, 2, 3 and 14 about the controller board, and we can open the controller. Now I open the Aprils. One, two, stop. After finish, open 14 free around the package. Now we open the box. Be careful because you have a lot of put inside. So we have the controller inside. Opens. Okay. So this is the board for the monitor, for the touch screen. This is connect on of this one relay with the touch screen. This is the mini PC inside. This is the DM900 board. This is for network connect from the PC to the network. This is the main board of the controller, and this is the connector to the head. And we have 4 ring head right here. This is a pan for the make the cooler system for the board. And we have the network capture, and this is the HDMI from the MIDI controller to the touch screen. Okay, now we open one by one the board to find the main board, to take out the main board, go outside. Stop. Okay. Next, we need to take out the cardboard from the screen to the mini controller, and you take out the cardboard. Take out the cardboard. Next, that is cardboard for the network. Take out this one. Take out this one. Take out this is the sensors. This is the USB port from the PC. This is USB port from other side. Okay, now we take out the mini PC, and next we need to take out the board. Now the main board already done. We got it right here. Put it all the way. This one we don't relate with the touch screen, so we don't use this. And now return with the main board. Okay, stop. Okay, and the board black right here. So you open this pipe to remove on of wire on the controller board. And we have a lot of wire right here, so you just open one by one, separate with the main board. First we open the cardboard, the network. You need to cut out the wires. Be careful with this step. The AC to open to cut off to the wire of the sensor. And next we open one by one. We have a lot of pin of wire to connect from the ring head, sensor, the power supply, and many things right here. So you just open one by one. Này là gì vậy? Okay, next. Cái này là cái gì trời?
Tao rồi không có tự gắn ra đâu.
Okay, hồi có người lại chỉ. Open one by one. So this one is open right here. This support the ring heads to this board. The open ring heads. I will guide you how to connect which connector to which pin on this one later after this video. And now next we open this one. One pin right here. One right here. Next, this pin. Please know that this is the old version. We have some new version with this. Why it will be inside the protector layer, and this something is different with this one. So you just open and remember which one port connector to your ring head port, and open this one. Okay, throw it away. And we have some board right here, some cable right here. Just keep throw it away. And next, that is the fin. Stop it. Okay, next we need to open the main board separate with this blade. We have the fan right here. We have 3 fans. So now we open this fan. Open this fan file. Open 2 frills. You need to open 2 frills. Okay, done. And the wire of the fan will be right here. Okay, and this is the power for all main board. So you just open this one, the power supply for the main board. And next we open this pin. This pin for this one for this one, and this one for this fan. It's open 3 of this. Go away. Second. Go away. Okay, now the main board right here. We just open 6 brill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 brill of this to open the main board. Stop. Okay, next we open 3 sets of this. 1, 2.
Lấy cái tay kia ra thêm, là chia chẻ hết trơn này. Phải to phải. Tay to phải nồi.
Okay, for done. And remember this, in the underside, we have the one for the speaker. This is for the speaker from the connected to mini PC. You just open this one. Okay, throw it away. And next, this is the speaker. Connect to the speaker. When you touch on screen, it will show the sound from the event, every touch event. So this is the speaker for on system. Just open the speaker from this one. Okay, open. Okay, finish. And now we can take out the on main port system. Stop it. Go. So the main board right here. So this is the front side of the controller board. You see, this is for network communicate from the PC to the on controller board. This is the main CPU board, and we have some connector right here to connect with the ring head. And this is the back side. So with the back side, we have some component on right here, and some 2 of connector connect to the speaker and fan. Okay, thanks for watch.